Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And for every good sword you need a shield. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a matching shield to go with your pirate sword. So you can just sort of slip on to your arm there, or you can just hold it in the other hand like that. So without further ado, let's get started on how to make a super cool one balloon shield. So you need a 260, any colour, it doesn't really matter, and you'll inflate it and you'll make sure that it's about a hand's width uninflated at the end, just like that. Give it a good stretch and a squeeze, and start off with a one finger bubble at the end where you've got the knotted end. And you're going to take the knotted end and just twist that into your bubble at the bottom, just like that. Now you're going to do about an 8-9 finger bubble. Yeah, just like that. And then you're going to do another one finger bubble, like that. You're going to pinch twist it. So that's what you should have. And now what you're going to do, give it a good squeeze and stretch. This will be getting a bit tighter, and you're going to do a bubble that's a bit shorter than this one that we did. So it's going to be about 8 fingers, maybe a little bit shorter. You can see how mine is just a little bit shorter than this one that I did at the beginning. And then you want about a 3 finger bubble here, and then you're going to take the twist there and twist it in to your pinch twist, the first one that you did. So that's what you'll have so far, sort of a half of your shield. You're going to do the same for the other side, so another 3 finger bubble there and another 7-8 finger bubble here. And you're going to twist, we're going to twist it in to the bottom pinch twist just here. So we've got the front of our shield. Now you'll have quite a lot left, maybe even a little bit inflated. It doesn't matter what this really looks like. You just want to be able to make a really small bubble, and we're going to twist that into the top of our shield, this bubble here. You can keep that little bit just behind that. And there you go, you've got your shield, so you can put it on use it, grip it in your hand, or if you want, you can go for a more of a Captain America look, and sort of put it on your arm like that. And with the pirate sword, it's a super cool design. It's one 260 balloon, very easy to make, and children absolutely love it. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Make sure that you hit me up with a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. But until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.